Hey traders and investors, it's Serge Berger here. One of my favorite things to do as I prepare for individual earnings reports to come out is to look for stocks that have technically significant patterns because there is a tendency, particularly for some of the higher beta stocks, to have pretty decent moves after earnings, and and that allows us to really be able to define our risk once the stock starts trading and has given us an initial reaction after the earnings announcement. One stock that I'm currently looking at is Electronic Arts. This is the one of the video game makers. Scheduled to report earnings on July 22nd, which is basically, or exactly, next Tuesday. So if we take a look at Electronic Arts through sort of a multi-year lens, you can see that from a pure price perspective, the stock is not where it was, or is not yet where it was pre-financial crisis. You can see the big sell-off here in 2008 and 2009. Basically, the stock has traced at a very long and interesting looking and bullish looking base. Through that lens, the stock really can certainly move higher, and that's also where where the current setup comes into play and favors the upside. First of all, let's look at sort of the movement since last August or October, last August, September, something like that. You can see we've had a couple of nice breaks past resistance areas. And most recently, the stock broke past resistance in June. I think that was after a gaming conference in LA. And now the stock has basically traced out a higher high and a higher base, and it's giving us very, very defined risk. So if this stock managed to get back above, say, 36.90 or something like that after earnings, this stock certainly looks like it can move into the high 30s and to low 40s. Of course, the only issue you can have with this stock is if it rallies too much, then we're at risk of chasing it higher. So I think a moderate move in this stock past, say, 36.90 or so would be quite good to get in on the long side. So I hope this makes sense, guys. If you got any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. My Twitter handle is SteadyTrader, and I'll see you in the next video.